Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing phlox, Drummondii. These take between 10 and 21 days to sow, and they want to be kept at 18 to 20 Celsius, and they want a light covering. Sow on the surface of a free draining seed compost. Do not cover seeds. Place in a propagator or sealed container inside a polythene bag. I always find that you're better off using something like this. The polythene bag is sealed, so something like this has got gaps where if it gets too hot, the temperature can vent. So let's open these then, see what these are like. I've not grown this variety before, so a little look, shall we? Should be 200 seeds, so I want about 50 of these. Oh, these are nice and big enough that you can see them. Some of the seeds are absolutely ridiculously small. Right, that looks like enough. Just give them, try and spread them out as evenly as possible onto the surface. If you can't see the seeds, a good tip is just put a bit of flour in the palm of your hand and mix them with that, and that means they'll show up against the dark compost. So anyway, we've sown them. Don't need to cover them at all. Give them a spray on the surface like so. Name tag Phlox, Drummondii, and then what we need to do is put them in the sink and leave them to soak, then drain them, and then once all that's done, a well-lit windowsill, get your cover on top, and as it says, 8 to 21 days. So that's Phlox, Drummondii, how to sow. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, bye.